Hi, my name is Andrea Lim and I am 12 years old. This is my game. The goal of this game is to collect 30 snowballs. To make this game have a Winterland theme, I designed these 2 intricately designed snowflakes and a Christmas tree with a gold star on top and some red and gold ornaments. To move the basket that catches the snowballs, use the left and right arrow keys to move the basket. When you get 30 snowballs, then you win. I hope you enjoyed this game as much as I did. Thank you for watching.